So here's how to change the font size on your iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro. Go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to display and brightness. Tap on that. Under display and brightness, you should see text size. Tap on that. And then here you have a slider that you can use to adjust the text size. All right. So you can reduce like that or increase like that. Okay. Now, if you want even bigger text size than that, you can go back to the main settings page. You can see the text is already big. If you now go into accessibility, you should see display and text size here. Tap on that. And then you have the option for larger text, which if you turn on, the text is going to be even larger. Okay. Look at that. So let's look at the main menu. That's what it looks like. Okay. So that's basically how to change text size on your iPhone 15. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.